Today, I think as you saw in the intro, it's gonna be about the chords. The chord scale is gonna be the chords, piano chords, and it's gonna be the major scale. So the major scales are A major, B major, C major, D major, E major, F major, and G major. Let me put the volume down a little bit. Okay, there you go. That was just a demonstration. Now I'll just walk you through all of them. So first we have the A scale. The A major scale, the A major chord, and that's gonna be on this tutorial. All you're gonna need is your notes. You just need to know your notes. A through G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So the A major is gonna be of A. There's gonna be some sharps in here, so A, C sharp, and E. And you put them all together. That's A. A, C sharp, E. Now B major. B, D sharp, F sharp. B, D sharp, F sharp. C major, C, E, G, C, E, G. D major, D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, A. E is gonna be E major is gonna be E, G sharp, B, E, G sharp, B. F major is gonna be F, A, C, F, A, C, F, A, C. And G is gonna be G, B, G, B, D. G, B, D. G, B, D. So then all of them will be A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Don't worry if my piano's an echo because I have the pedal down here. A pedal's used to sustain the chord, but if I take it off, and your normal piano will sound like this. I practice this most of the time. When you get a lot of it, you'll get used to all your chords. Forward and back. Yeah, so it's not that big. I have a chord chart here. It's this one. I'll try to find the link and put it in the description so you can check it out. I think one of my next videos is gonna be the minor. That's the minor scale. So don't worry about that one. I'll put that in another video. And there's the sharp scale. I'm not gonna do that one yet. The sharp scales. Sharp chord scales. And as I wasn't going to show it, but I'm going to show it anyways because I guess I have a little bit of background knowledge. So that's it. I just showed the major scale, the major chord scale. I'll do the minor and sharp in another video. I don't know if they'll be in the same one, but I guess we'll find out. And I guess that's it. Just a little simple. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Simple chords. That'll be all. I put the chord chart in the description, and that'll be all. Thank you, and see you in another video. Bye.